Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about PHP file upload. So let's see how we can do that. First, ensure that PHP is configured to allow the file upload. Okay. So in that case, as you can see, first I have to write all the things that is required. First, I'm mentioning the form here. Inside the form, I will mention the action, and the method should be as a post. Fine. And then I will mention int type that is equal to any type that is required for that. For in that case, we have to write multi-part slash form data. Okay, so these are the things we need to mention here. Okay, other thing I need to write is input type equal to file and name as a image. Okay, so these are the things I have mentioned here. Now on screen you can see that I am getting all the things that is required. Fine, so here from there I can choose a file. Now how to choose a file and how it will work, for that again I will just write input type equal to submit. Okay, and then I will mention, okay, let me check. Okay, submit thing is coming. I will mention few more things, that is, let me just check how to do it. Okay, so first I have to mention one more PHP code here. And that with the help of that only the next thing will work. Okay, so here I will mention all the codes here in this. So first I have to mention everything. If I set dollar files of image, then I will just write dollar error equal to array of. Okay, so this is the format you need to mention. You can pause this video and try it at your place, and then you will be able to understand. Okay, file name, then I will mention what is the file name that is available. Okay, so I will write the files image, that our file is as image, that is why, and the name of it. So these are the few things you have to mention. Then file size, we will mention what is the file size here. In that case I will mention the file size, that is image, and the size of the file that is required. Okay, these few things I have mentioned. Again I will change and I will write tmp and then tmp here, that is the name. Then again I will just change it to type, what is the type of it, and I will mention the type here. Okay, so that is how you need to create it. Fine, so these are the few details I have mentioned. One more thing I will just write, the ext, that is str, start to lower end of explode, and then delimiter and string will be mentioned there. Okay, so these are the few things you need to mention. Let me change it to here. Okay, I will just write the dot, then I will change here to the file name. The values I will mention in this. Okay, so these are the extension I have provided, image and their name of the image. All the things are mentioned here. Fine, so these are the few kinds of details you need to write. Fine, first you have to introduce everything, then you will need to write extensions, array of JPEG and JPG. Okay, these are the few kinds of detail, that if all the images, those extension are JPEG and JPG or any, will work. Okay, these are the following type of images will work. If there is any image other than this will not get open. Okay, so these are the details we have to provide, then only the image will work properly. Okay, so I have mentioned all the details, everything is okay here. Fine, I have to check once and then we will see. We will go to the next code. Just a second. Okay, so now we will see if in array files extension, file stack, extensions I will mention here. Okay, let me check. These are the, okay. You can pause this video and just write it on your notebook or on screen. Then you will be able to understand. Right now I'm writing because what is happening, I know these code, that is why. So once you'll read this code, you will be able to understand it properly. Fine. So these are the codes that is required. These are the normal codes that is definitely required. So you have to remember this. There is no changes in that. You have to know this codes. Okay. So this extension is not allowed. If the extension is not working, then the error should be written as this extension is not allowed. Please upload a JPG or PNG or JPG file. Okay, so that is how. If the file is not from these extension, if it is uploading from the another extension, then this error will be mentioned over there. Okay, so these are the things you need to provide it. Okay. Now we will write if file size is greater than some number, that is this much, then error will be created. So I will just write file size must be less than 2 MB. Okay, if the file is more than 2 MB, then the error will be there, that is the file size must be less than 2 MB. Okay, these are the details you need to write. Okay, after that, one more thing we will provide. If empty error that is equal to true, then move upload file name, that is what is that file name, emp, and the destination is uploads, what is this dot file. Okay, so these are the details that I have been to mention. Fine, we have mentioned all the details that is available here. Okay, let me check it. This is okay. Let me just work on it, how it is going to work. Yeah, everything is available. Yeah, so these are the codes you need to write. You have to remember these codes. Okay, next I will write echo file has been uploaded. Once the file is getting uploaded, once the file is uploaded, then this text will be mentioned there. Else, the file is not uploaded, then the error will occur, and in that case, error will automatically get. Okay, let me just choose file. Any file you can choose it. Idea, PHP lecture or any. For example, I am choosing this image only. The only variable should be file has been uploaded. So the file is being uploaded. So that is why it is showing file has been uploaded. So on screen you can see that this was the image. The file is being uploaded. That is why it is written like that. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.